Okay, so now we know how to make the background change. We need the background to, we need something to happen when the background changes. There's got to be a purpose. So we need to code what's going to happen when the background changes. And that is going to be on Dot, because Dot is our narrator. So I'm going to go back to our events. When the backdrop switches to the moon, the Dot will say, "Hello, I'm Dot. Please join me on a journey through space." And then we will have Dot glide to a random position. Maybe just show like she's floating in space. So we'll have her glide to a random position, but we can't just leave it like that because she'll fly all around, zip, zip, zip. So we always have to use a wait block. The children thought 1 second was really, really fast. They tried it. They saw that it was a lot longer than they thought. So let's see what happens. When the backdrop switches to the moon, Dot will talk and move. Oh, there it is. Hello, I'm Dot. She's talked. She's moving. So it worked. And then since we had more backdrops, we would need to add another one. So when the backdrop switches to the galaxy, Dot would say something else. Dot might say, This is a galaxy called the Milky Way. Earth is here. Can you find it?" And then if this was the actual finished project, the children would be adding in a lot more facts. So let's go back to our button. And there it is. So the background switched to galaxy and Dot spoke. So this is a good way to integrate Scratch code with your ELA writing and research.